Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to view archived apps on Play Store, and now let's dive right in. Now to view your archived apps on Play Store, first open up your Play Store app on your phone. And after opening your Play Store app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. And when this menu appears, guys, you can see the first option just below your Google account. There it says the Manage Apps and Device. Tap on Manage Apps and Device over here. And again over here at the top of the screen, you can see there's an overview and the Manage button. We'll be required to tap on the Manage button over here. And you will land on this interface where you can see these categories where it says this device updates available. If you swipe them to the left, you can see the archive button over here. Tap on archived, and all of your archived apps, if you have archived them, will be available over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how to view archived apps on Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.